If you aren't taking advantage of Google Alerts, get on it today. Hi y'all, the Seasoned Marketer here with your Monday Marketing Minute. 2 words, Google Alerts. It's a free resource that allows you to tag keywords or phrases, and every time that keyword or phrase appears on the web, it sends you a notification via email. As a business owner, you'll want to use Google Alerts. Here's why. Brand reputation. Tag your business name and or your personal name to be able to see who's saying something about you online, and most importantly, what they're saying. Detective work. Use specific keywords to track anything from industry trends to potential clients, and even, dare I say it, your competitors. Gauging community response. Anytime that you put a new product, service, or even host an event, go ahead and add a Google alert for that. That way you can gauge community interest. If you aren't taking advantage of Google Alerts, get on it today. It's simple to do. Go to google.com/alerts.